Adidas Ultraboost 22 Women's Unboxing and Overview. 4% more forefoot energy return compared to the Ultraboost 21 with a complete 360 degrees female fit improvement. Weight 289 grams. Narrower heel fit and lower instep curve for a snug feeling, designed to avoid heel slip and blisters. The shoe's upper is made with yarn containing 50% Parley Ocean Plastic. The Adidas PRIMEKNIT upper includes a narrower heel fit designed to avoid heel slip and blisters. Newly refined outsole for softer cushioning and designed to help you say goodbye to overpronation. Stretchweb outsole with Continental Better Rubber. Own your energy with the best women's running shoes around by a mile.